Yo, we got a little trade recap for you today. All right, let's go ahead and jump right in. No excuses. Let's go ahead and jump right in here. We're on the NASDAQ as crack. I'm just kidding. Actually, I always start with a daily time frame. So let's go on the daily. What I saw this morning, I saw cool. I saw this, again, we're still in this 1 hour fair value gap. I gotta say, okay, cool. Well, inside of this, I think, in the next couple, maybe a week, we could probably see this high getting hit. However, I was not focused on too much of that about that high. Cool. Yeah, so I saw this high getting swept here. Yeah, this morning, this high got swept. So then I was like, okay, cool. That's kind of bearish to me a little bit. So we're probably going to go ahead. And Powell was speaking this morning. And literally he said there was not going to be a recession anytime soon. So we got bullish news there. I went down to the 30-minute time frame, and immediately in the morning, I did see that kind of stuck around in the morning. It was really choppy as heck. I'm not even going to worry about this chop, but I eventually wanted to see this high get hit, or either this 1 hourly high get hit here. As you can see on the 1 hour, this is an hourly high. So I wanted these two to get hit here with the bullish news, and also we're inside of a bullish fair value gap. You see? So let's go ahead and get rid of this. So I wanted to see ultimately those highs getting swept, which I did actually call my Discord server. So go ahead and go join the Discord down below. I share my daily bias for free every day. I share my bias for free every day, and I show you exactly where the markets move. And I'm always right every damn time. For the last freaking week, I've been right every damn time. So as you can see, I said, okay, we could go possibly for longs at these intraday London lows, or at the Asian low if price does want to reach down there. Powell says bad news, but he did actually say some good news. So I wanted to see this high get swept, and this high get swept for a potential short entry. So we actually did end up sweeping the first high here. We actually did not get an entry there, so I just waited for this high to get swept. And if we go ahead and look down the smaller time frame, immediately we did sweep this high, which actually did give us an entry here on a lower time frame. So if we go on the 1 minute, since we swept that high, what I was looking for, cool, we swept that high. What did we get? Well, we did get this fair value gap. Boom. So I was like, okay, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and go off long once it reaches this into this fair value gap. But I put my entry a little bit lower, because just so I could get that fill, just in case the price didn't want to fully go in there. Had my stops at this candlestick high, well, actually body of the candle high, and then had my targets. And I went on the 5-minute time frame, had my targets originally at the start of this fair value gap here, and in the end of the fair value gap. That was my full take profit here. And so I basically just waited right here. Let's see if we get tapped in. Boom, right there. We barely got tapped in. And look at market started going in our favor. And literally hit my take profit. I sold literally at this low. The exact low. Okay? And literally, see, if we go ahead and adjust this, right? It was like literally on the freaking wick. It was unbelievable. So I sold actually a partial to here on this candle, just because I knew we're inside the middle of the fair value gap. And then after that, I sold the rest of my position literally at the low. Bottom tick that crap. Bottom ticked it. So basically that's what happened. Price then came back up, and that's it. Boom, there we go. We got a winning trade, and that was it. And as you can see, just so I can show you exactly, it was a winning trade for the people out. For the people out there that did not believe me. So for the people out there that did not believe me, here's what we made today across our accounts. As you could see, P&L'd that crap there. And yeah, pretty much this is to the month here, so we're looking at. But yeah, with that being said, it's kind of about it here. Kind of simple bias, simple terms, when it comes to Powell speaking to as well. We had a bias for either a short and a long entry. And yeah, a short entry played out, and it went perfect. So with that being said, hope you guys did enjoy this. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and join the Discord down below for more info. So be involved in the community as well. All right, with that being said, peace out, y'all. Peace.